Hi there, welcome to Feeling Visual. This tutorial asks the question, what are you proud of? The first thing that I'm very proud of is that I learned myself how to draw. I still use it a lot. And the second thing is that I'm super proud I'm doing this. I'm doing do-torials on Feeling Visual. I don't know where it will end, but I'm having so much fun. The third thing is that I quit my previous job. And the fourth thing is that I'm very proud, actually. I have good habits of taking care of myself. The fifth thing is actually quite recent that I actually participate in dance ciphers, you know, the groups and clubs, and then someone dances in the middle. And I'm actually doing that now. And I'm actually loving it. It's awesome. And the last thing, the sixth thing that I'm super proud of is recently I'm starting to build up the confidence to share my skills, my visualization skills, through workshops with colleagues or other people. And it's actually a big step for me in building my confidence. So I'm very proud of myself, actually, and my journey so far. So these are some of the things that I am proud of, but I'm very curious, what are you proud of? Now, it is your turn. Take your time, relax, and be proud of yourself.